In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the file or folder you want to transfer to someone else. Right-click on it, hover over Share, then click Share again. In the Add People and Groups box, type the email address of the person you want to make the new owner. Next, use the Permission drop-down menu and set their role to Editor. Then click Send to share the item with them. After the file or folder has been shared, open the Share window again by clicking Share on the same item. Look through the list of people with access and find the person you just added. Click the drop-down arrow next to their current role. From the available options, select Transfer Ownership. A confirmation window will appear. Click Send Invitation to Continue. Google Drive will now send an ownership transfer request to that person. The ownership will not change immediately. The recipient must first accept the invitation from their Gmail account before the transfer is completed. Once they accept the request, they will become the new owner of the file or folder, and your role will be updated accordingly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.